Hello food lovers and welcome to the channel. Today we're taking our taste buds on an epic journey to the heart of South America, to a country whose culinary scene is taking the world by storm. That's right, we're exploring the vibrant, flavorful, and unforgettable world of Peruvian cuisine. Get ready because we're counting down the top 5 Peruvian dishes you absolutely have to try. First up, at number 5, we have arroz tapado. The name literally means covered rice, and it's a beloved comfort food in Peru. Imagine this. A savory layer of seasoned ground beef cooked with onions, garlic, olives, and raisins, perfectly sandwiched between 2 layers of fluffy white rice. It's all packed into a mold and then flipped onto a plate, often topped with a fried egg. It's simple, it's hearty, and the combination of savory and sweet is pure genius. It's the kind of meal that feels like a warm hug from a Peruvian abuela. Coming in at number 4 is ají de gallina. This is a dish that truly showcases the soul of Peruvian cooking. It's a creamy, spicy, and utterly delicious chicken stew. The magic is in the sauce. A rich blend of ají amarillo, a bright yellow chili pepper that is fruity and moderately spicy, along with bread, evaporated milk, and ground walnuts, served over rice with boiled potatoes and a black olive. Ají de gallina is comfort food at its most elegant. The texture is velvety, the flavor is complex, and it's a must-try for anyone who loves creamy, flavorful dishes. Now, before we get to our top 3, let's talk about a global superstar that has its roots firmly planted in Peruvian soil: the potato. Did you know that Peru is the birthplace of the potato? That's right. Thousands of years ago, communities in the Andes Mountains first domesticated this humble tuber. Today, Peru boasts over 4,000 different varieties of potatoes, coming in all shapes, sizes, and colors, from deep purples and bright reds to golden yellows. This incredible biodiversity is a testament to Peru's rich agricultural heritage and is a key ingredient in so many of its amazing dishes. So next time you enjoy some fries, give a little nod to Peru. Alright, back to our list. At number 3 we have causa rellena. This dish is a work of art, both visually and in terms of flavor. It's a stunning layered potato terrine. The base is a smooth, bright yellow mashed potato seasoned with lime juice and ají amarillo paste. This zesty potato mash is then layered with fillings like a creamy chicken salad, tuna, or fresh vegetables. It's served cold, making it a perfect appetizer or light lunch on a warm day. The combination of the tangy potato and the savory filling is absolutely incredible. It's a true celebration of the potato. Our runner-up at number 2 is a dish that represents the beautiful fusion of Peruvian and Chinese cultures: lomo saltado. This is the king of stir-fries. We're talking tender strips of beef, marinated in soy sauce and spices, then stir-fried in a wok at a fiery high heat with onions, tomatoes, and ají amarillo. The best part? It's served with a delightful duo of accompaniments: crispy French fries and a side of white rice. The smoky flavor from the wok, the juicy beef, the tangy tomatoes, and the starchy goodness of both fries and rice. It's a flavor explosion in every single bite. It's a staple you'll find everywhere in Peru for a very good reason. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The number 1 undisputed champion of Peruvian cuisine is ceviche. If there's one dish that defines coastal Peru, this is it. Ceviche is deceptively simple but requires incredible freshness. It consists of raw fish, typically sea bass, cut into bite-sized pieces and cured in a zesty marinade of freshly squeezed lime juice, sliced onion, ají peppers, and cilantro. The acidity of the lime juice cooks the fish, leaving it firm and opaque. It's usually served with boiled sweet potato to balance the acidity, and cancha, which are toasted corn kernels for a perfect crunch. It's bright, refreshing, healthy, and an explosion of pure coastal flavor. It's not just a dish, it's a national obsession and a source of immense pride. And there you have it, our top 5 must-try Peruvian foods. From the creamy ají de gallina to the iconic ceviche, Peru's culinary landscape is a treasure trove of incredible flavors. I hope this inspired you to seek out a Peruvian restaurant, or maybe even try cooking one of these dishes at home. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me on this delicious adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next top 5. I will be covering interesting facts about countries throughout the world. Until next time, stay hungry and keep exploring.